This is a very useful toy we will make, a Tetra pack with the lock. What we need to make this toy is a fruit juice pack, a 1 liter pack, some sellotape, scale, needle, scissors, compass, and a needle, an old needle. We have seen a lot of these Tetra packs which get wasted after we drink the juice. First, take this Tetra pack and open up these triangular flaps. Open these flaps on both sides of the juice box. Then press and make it and squash the juice pack after taking out the lid. After this, cut at both ends of the Tetra pack. This is the place where the Tetra pack gets sealed. So this is one side, and then repeat the same on the other side. Cut the other end of the Tetra pack. Now you will see that this juice box or the Tetra pack will become like a cylinder. Now cut it open in the middle on the other side where there is a lid. This will make the Tetra pack go flat on the table. The juice lid can very easily be taken out now. Place this flap on the table and mark this ellipse by marking these 30 degrees sectors. So this is the ellipse you will draw, and make sure that these ellipses are sort of similar and same size on both the sides. You mark the ellipse and these lines here. These lines are the flaps. So make sure you don't cut across right here. These are dotted lines. You can see closely how these sectors are made. Essentially a sort of an ellipse. Now start cutting along these hard lines and cut this shape out, which is an ellipse with a flap on one end. This is the flap. Now make sure you can cut the hole in this flap, which is of the same size as the hole in the Tetra pack. This is how your shape of the Tetra pack should look like. Now with an old needle, crease along the dotted lines. This is required so that the Tetra pack can fold easily. See, Tetra pack is made by hard pressing aluminium, plastic and paper. Hence it's very hard to recycle. It's very bad for the environment. Just like packed juices are bad for your health. But coming back to the purse, once you have pressed along these dotted lines, you can now fold the Tetra pack, gather the folds together, all the folds, 4 folds, and you get a 4-folded purse. You can also now put a tape at the ends, at the corners, to make it more durable, and your rainproof 4-pocket purse is ready. It is rainproof and it's a very good utility. You can put your coins and notes and even some important papers, because it is fully waterproof and long lasting. So instead of throwing the Tetra pack, you can now make a purse out of it. It's a very useful toy.